Alright, now start painting that dash. Hey Kyle, go a long ways, okay? And you shake the can every once in a while, okay? And keep it mixed up. And you want to take that tack cloth and move it before you spray that. You don't want to spray that, so we need to move that probably somewhere in the...
You can put it on the trash can?
Yeah. Well, starting a new dash for the Jeep. Got my nephew Kyle helping me out. We're going to get her done.